5 is Reginald Thompson. When I first saw this guy after 20 years, y'all gotta admit, don't he look like El Jarreau? Give it up for him, give it up. We also got at number 4, one of my coolest friends ever. You would think he played in a band, DeBarge. I got some of the coolest friends ever. Continuing on at number 3, we got my man Charles C. Wouldn't y'all agree that he looked like Smokey the Bear? All right, we got number 2 coming right back at you.
Get out here.
I gotta find somebody. Who's number 2? Oh, he's trying to hide. That's Jackie Coach. Yeah. There's one thing about tall people. You can always stand up. They get more of the air. Y'all ever notice that? The short people, you be having a hard time breathing. Dr. Jackie Coolin, all the tall people. And number 1, yeah, my classmate, my track star, Gifford Eamon. Yeah, where is he at? The reason Gifford made number 1, I'm going to tell you, most of you gentlemen, you have a hard time competing with this guy. He took Viagra to another level. If any of you think you can compete with Gifford, I'm me you're talking about. Let me see you say, oh yeah, somebody. That's what I thought. The reason Gifford is number 1, because he's the only 48-year-old man I know that has a baby 8 months old. I just got some new information. We might have a tie for number 1. There's a brother named Biggie Slaughter. Come on down, where is he at? These guys, let me ask y'all something. Most of y'all men, hey, yeah, Bulldog, of course, I'm number 1, I'm the star. Listen, if you think you can compete with Gifford or my man Salters, let me see the man say, hell yeah, I can make a baby. Nobody? Look at Tim talking about not me. That transport gets kind of expensive after a while, don't it? Yeah, you better pay them bills. Hey, listen, when you think about it, is there any Redskins fans here? Yeah! Any Redskins? Redskins in the house! Hey, I like RJ3. Y'all heard of that guy? Yeah. You may not be a football fan, but that guy, he really gets down. But it was, I go hard like RJ3. All the players want to be like me. When it was $1 I can make you holler. I bet everybody $1 million. I go down the field. Blue 22. Blue 22. Joe Dinkins, where you at? Hold on, drop back the pass. He's looking downfield. He got a man. Touchdown. Show me what you got. Show me what you working with. Come on, baby. My name is $1. I'm on the mic. I'm doing the thing that the fly girls like. I'll feel your body, I'll groove your mind. I'll make you wish that you was somewhere fine. We got a lot of ladies that's looking real pretty. I rock on the microphone city. That's one thing about me. I suck them girls' titties. That's right. I forgot, I gotta save the baby some milk. It's like, damn, man, I gotta be clean because I forgot we have good people in the house. I think most of the people that's here, especially married ones, everybody that's married, give yourself a nice round of applause. I never get married, I'll tell you why. Once you get your money And all of a sudden she said, I don't want you anymore. You got to give up half. Is that fair? I don't really know, but love your wife, take care of her, cherish her, and appreciate it. I've been singing all my life. If y'all know this song, my lady, she left me. Y'all sing this song with me. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone away. Come on, sing with me. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. And anytime she goes away. So y'all know I wind up with. It was me and Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones. We got a thing going on. She loved me too. I wind up sitting at the dock of the bay, watching the tides roll away. Ooh, I was sitting at the dock of the bay, wasting time. Yeah, enough of that crap. Listen, I found me a new old lady, man, and she's finer than all of y'all that's sitting here tonight. That's right, my new old lady, she's 5'4", 495 pounds. Me and her got together because I like to feed her. She happy. As long as I feed my lady, she's very happy. But, you know, I eat up all the food. You know, it's once upon a time, you know, I was born in 1963. You know, you gotta be bad to mess with me. I'm finna hit y'all off with one of my new hits. This is called Bo Dollar, the best man in the world. And if you're in second place like Morano might do, you can catch up. Sit back and relax and enjoy what I'm about to say. You've been telling me that and telling me this. Won't you come over and give me a kiss? And baby, won't you be with me? Well, I met this lady, she was short and fine. It took me 2 minutes to blow her mind. But as we began to talk, she said, listen, Bo Dollar, let's go for a walk. So we went outside and got in the car. I felt like I was talking to a movie star. She asked me, how old are you? I said, I'm old enough. I do it too. She said, what? Well, if you come a little closer and get off your butt, I can give you a special treat, but we have to do it in the back seat. As the week was getting it on, she got kind of weak. I was going strong. She didn't know how long I could last as mine. I took to school and I changed the class. Realized who was the best. She said, listen, Bo Dollar, let's take a rest. So I gave her a little time. Think about the things that was going through her mind. Next thing you know, she was sugar and blood. She found herself much in love. That's when I got a little crazy. I knew I had a sex lady. Yeah. Come on. Show me some love.
Buffalo Fun.
Let me tell you something, man. You better relax, Jackie, because I hate those hecklers. I will let you know something. You don't want me to come down. You're going to be crying. You wish you had your baby bottle. I'll tell you right now. Listen, let me tell you something, man. I like to think I can do blues. Anybody like blues in here? Yeah. This should be the blues thing, right? Yeah. All right. My mama done told me my lady is cheating. Why she had to do me that way? Because in the bedroom she screams my name until one day it slipped out and she said, "Do it, Roger, do it." And I said, "Roger Troutman, now I was thinking about my boss. Oh, your boss backdoored me too? Payback is mine." When I called my daddy, I said, "Daddy, my old lady, she's cheating on me." He said, "Son, let me talk to you." He said, "Next time your old lady wants to make love, you call me. We got something for her." So she's like, "Boy, don't worry about it." I'm walking through the room, I'm quite mad. She said, "Boy, don't worry about it. Come on in here, let me make it up to you." I said, "Baby, I'm all right. I ain't even worried about it." She said, "I don't make love to you." Fine. I remember I had to call my daddy. Called my daddy up, told him what was happening. I said, "Daddy, my lady is cheating." He said, "All right, I'll tell you what." I called my daddy on the phone. He go over there, right? He knock on the door. He go, "Don't worry about it. You're gonna get it in a minute. You little bald head, just sit back and relax and shut up." Anyway, We get up there, my daddy goes, she in the bedroom, she goes, oh, $4. Yes, $4. Yeah, baby, yeah. I'm outside the door going, get it, daddy. Get it, daddy, get it. So he come out, he goes, hey, son, we ain't got to deal with that problem no more. I said, why not, daddy? He said, your mama did it to me. All right, y'all. We're going to take a little 5 minutes, give it back to the DJ, and we'll be right back at y'all.